The hottest coin in the game right now is Sonic, basically the rebranded Phantom. After across the Tutoring there on the 1 hour time frame, it was Guam. And it had a bit of an Adam and Eve double bottom too that broke to the upside, giving hope that maybe Bitcoin can do this too. If there's enough liquidity to push other coins to the upside, then there's got to be enough liquidity to get Bitcoin back on the right side of time. But, I'm not saying that's a guarantee, but it just, thoughts and ideas. They're going to snipe me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my, yo, look at that candle, baby. 70 stays alive. There's nobody better. Again, look at this Adam and Eve double bottom that I've talked about for like a week and a half now or something. These play out 90% of the time. Like, this is supposed to play out. This is supposed to play out. The neckline to the bottom, and this is, 90% of the time this breaks out. We go back to 108,000, very close to an all-time high. Like, this would be awesome. This would be awe-inspiring. This would be the move of moves. Simple to me of how to trade today. So we watch price action. If price action can stay above the 200 MA as the 21 comes into it, and this is what I do, everyone. I find a time frame that makes sense, and I humbly wait for it to play out into my model. This is my model. And so if the 2 hour stays above the 200, we're going to be bullish for the rest of the day. Like, you have nothing to worry about. If the 2 hour loses the 200 MA, then you got to start thinking you're going to bounce down to the next support at 95.3 and maybe even all the way back down to a double bottom at 94,250. All right, simple to me. And look at that squeeze to the upside. That's how you do it, baby. Oh, God. Oh, my pants. Sorry. This is a hot new project connected to Twitter. People are talking about it. It's gaining steam, notoriety, and volume. Kato. So if you were with us, we knew about it somewhat early, but again, that entry last night right there at about 155 is just booming. This thing could go even higher. So look for this to maybe wiggle around. If it fell back in here, it could dump, and then maybe it double bottoms. I don't know. But right now, the probability is starting to look pretty nice that this thing could flag out and continue. And that bigger target takes Kato to $3.26. PAX G actually looks pretty good. Look at that thing. About to blast actually to the upside. Gold looking really nice against the dollar. So PAX G is a nice little play against the US dollar. And yet that's a play right there. PAX G is a gold backed, coin. So that's how you trade gold on the regular tip here. And gold just continues to want to rip. Again, someone's asked me about Swift coin. That is the sweet spot. That's the beautiful retracement. 786 after a massive pump, come back down. You're not chasing. If you believe in this coin, that is a great place. I'm not a financial advisor though. You'd have to think about it yourself. Get the education. If it made sense to you, you take advantage. I don't know. I'm not you. You're not me. Oh my gosh, look, I said we would be in this green box when we came in tonight. And look at that. You got to give it to me. Sammy Cup and Hattie